is a snack machine here at Grove City Premium Outlets in Grove City, Pennsylvania. This is an Automatic Product Studio 3. That's what it says there. We're going to insert the dollar. Okay. So we're going to go with 43. There's my push bar. And that's it.